Welcome to day 13 of your 14-day guide to meditation for beginners. My name is Sofie, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. Whenever you're ready, get yourself in a comfortable position, relaxing your body and starting to notice the breath as you close your eyes. Today's meditation is for those hard times, those bad days, to come back. You can also do this meditation at any other point in time. No matter what, it'll be of value. But just sit back, relax, focus on the breath, and listen to my voice. You are so strong. Your battles can be pushed aside for the moment, right here, right now. Just focus on how amazing you are. Give yourself some credit for all that you've been through, all that's brought you here to this very moment. All of the obstacles you've had to overcome, all of the conflict you've had to endure. You have done it. You have made it. And now you're going on to the other side. Breathing deeply. On your inhale, breathing in love and light, and on your exhale, releasing pain and suffering. If you want a mantra to repeat in your head as this meditation is going on, you can repeat, I breathe in love and light, I release pain and suffering. Just focus on the breath. You are so amazing. All the things that make you you, although it's been hard, has made you such a resilient being, has made you so capable, has made you so admirable. You might feel heavy inside, but you don't need to at this point in time. Release that energetic garbage. Release the things that make you feel less than. You are so worthy. You are so loved. All the battles that you've had to face, you've been able to do it, whether it's been internal or external. You have been able to conquer it all. Right now is not a moment to conquer. It's a moment to receive love, to receive self-appreciation, and to receive stillness. You are gifting yourself these 10 minutes to be more mindful. This mindfulness will help you moving forward, as it'll boost your mental strength, making those challenges and those obstacles and conflict a little easier to go about. You know, or you will know, that you're able to do it, that you're worthy, that no matter what anyone else says, you are amazing. And you are so worthy of love. You are so worthy of abundance. People can get intimidated by our light. People can get triggered by their wounds and project their unconscious thoughts onto us. We don't have to accept that baggage. We can simply let it be. And we can come back to ourselves where we see the real truth. The real truth is that you shine so bright. You have overcome so much. Your resilience is amazing. It's inspiring. It's wonderful. Life can get hard and people can let us down, but you've always been there for yourself. You're here right now. You're giving yourself the ultimate gift. Be thankful for yourself. Tell yourself, thank you. I love you. Thank you for being here for me. You are the ultimate gift to yourself. The fact that you're even here right now shows this determination to be a bit better than yesterday, to be a bit stronger than you were before. Knowing that you're worthy, knowing that you're strong, knowing that you're the only person that can truly tell you the truth. You are so magnetizing, so radiant. Things happen, we lose people, we fight, and things don't always go as planned. But it's okay, because you're always being shown the right path. Although it may not seem like it, whatever lies ahead will be better than what you thought. Whatever lies ahead comes with opportunity, comes with abundance. The more that you know your worthiness, the more opportunities that will be of worth will come towards you. Know it in your heart that you are a gift to this world. Your presence helps so many. Your strength and your courage are very amazing. I am so proud of you for all that you've endured. I am so proud of you for all that you've overcome. I am so proud of you for being so strong after all that you lost. I'm so proud of you for being here today, for showing up for yourself. Truly, that is the best gift you can give yourself, is simply showing up, is simply deciding to not stay stuck in the sadness, in the anger, in the pain, but rather taking small steps like this meditation to help you see your worth, to help you ease your pain, to help the suffering go away, even for just 10 minutes. You are so amazing, and you've had to be so courageous to go through the things that you've been through. I'm so proud of you. And stay with this thought for as long or as little as you'd like. Taking some deep breaths in and out. Whenever you're ready, starting to come back to your body, knowing that you're strong, you're resilient, you're capable, and you're loved. Thank you for being here. Thank yourself for showing up. Thank you. I'll see you once again tomorrow, and if you ever want to come back to this meditation, the more you do it, the more it'll help. Thank you once again. Namaste.